Bert with a B, just like my feathered friend Bernice. My bottle cap collection is the best, it can't be beat.
Gee, Bert, you just said 5 other words that begin with B just like your name. Let me try that with my name, Ernie. I've got an E at the beginning and an E at the end. And everybody knows Rubber Ducky is my friend. You know, I bet you could do this with any letter of the alphabet and any name.
Wow, there's so many possibilities.
26 letters from A to Z make one alphabet naming you and me. Oh yeah, 26 letters from A to Z make one alphabet connecting you and me.
Gee, this is really fun.
Did somebody say G? We did! G is for Grover, come on, get in the groove. I go round the globe, Grover's always on the move. That was great, Grover.
Hi, Tally. I love the number 3. And that is why a triangle suits me to a T.
Me llamo Rosita. It starts with an R. Watch me rumba to the rhythm that I play on my guitar.
26 letters from A to Z make one alphabet connecting you and me.
My name starts with the very first letter. The very first letter. The very first letter of the alphabet. That's A. For Abby. Well, I got a name that starts all the way over here. Over here at the other end. That's Zoe. Zoe with a Z.
Everyone else is somewhere in the middle. Every mom, every dad, and every kiddo have different letters in their name. But sometimes you find a letter that's the same. Oh, 26 letters from A to Z make one alphabet naming you and me. Oh yeah, 26 letters from A to Z make one alphabet connecting you and me.
Hey, everyone. Elmo has one more new friend for all of you to meet. His name is Sunny the Sunflower.
Sunny day, sweeping out clouds away. On my way to where the air is sweet. Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street? To Sesame Street.
You're such a cute little sunflower. Love your petals. Sunny, Elmo is the one who loves you so. Sunny, every day Elmo feels our friendship grow. Even when skies are gray, Sunny, you're never blue.
Like me.
Elmo will take good care of you. Oh, Sunny, one so true. Elmo loves you.
And so do all of us.
Elmo loves you. You're gonna love it here. Sunny, thank you for the smile on Elmo's face. Wow, Sunny, you could never, ever be replaced. So Elmo, deep down in Elmo's heart, I'm feeling so strong. You make Elmo sing a happy song. Oh, Sunny, one so true. Elmo loves you.
Now it's a sunny day, sweeping up clouds away. On my way to where the air is sweet. Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street? How to get to Sesame Street? How to get to Sesame Street?
Hey, Elmo, where'd you meet Sunny? Elmo's known Sunny since he was a little seed. But Elmo, how did Sunny get to be so big from being a little seed? Oh, Elmo's so glad you asked. Oh, Elmo has pictures. What's that, Sunny? Oh, right. Elmo needs to find Sunny a new home, a new place to live.
How about making my garden Sunny's new home?
Big Bird's garden?
I think that Sunny would like it very much. So, Elmo, where do you want to plant Sunny? There's lots of really great spots in the garden.
Well, it's just that Elmo's known Sunny since he was a little seed. And Elmo just wants to plant him in the best place. Elmo's having detachment problems, Big Bird. You know, once Sunny grows bigger and stronger, Elmo won't worry as much. How long will it take for Sunny to grow, Elmo? How long do you think? Will it take a few minutes?
Will it take a few hours?
Oh my! Will it take a day or two?
You guys, it takes a lot longer for plants to grow.
How long? How long before Sunny grows? How long? That's all that we want to know.
Is it longer than driving to Grandma's? We all know what a long journey that was.
Is it longer than taking a shower?
You know, that could take almost an hour. Will we know when the growing is happening? Will I miss it if maybe I'm napping?
If it's quick as a wink or a twinkle, then I can get too long to wait.
Well, first, Sunny's roots will push down through the ground, curling round and around and around. Sunny's face will look up to the sunlight, and I'll water till Sunny feels just right. And even though nothing is showing, inside every leaf Sunny is growing, until one day you'll notice he's bigger.
Like maybe tomorrow, Big Bird? Come on, everyone, sing along!
How long? How long before Sunny grows? How long? That's all that we want to know.
When is it gonna happen, Big Bird? How much longer?
How long? How long? How long?
Every plant has a time and a season.
How long?
Mother Nature did that for a reason.
How long?
Put spring, summer, fall, winter's freezing,
How long?
but your garden is always in bloom.
How long? How long? How long?
So now, do you understand?
Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh.
We still have one teeny-weeny question, Big Bird.
What is it, Abby? You guys.
I got it! You know, we really don't have to wait for nature to help Sunny grow. I can use my magic to make Sunny grow big, fast. And then Sunny can be planted anywhere. I think I goofed. Oh no! I must have used the wrong rhyme. Instead of turning Sunny big, I turned all of us small. Really
You
small.
did what?
Oh, pumpkins! Oh! Wrong word! Wrong spell! My magic wand didn't work very well. Oh, I could just scream! Oh! I'm feeling so sad, so low. I couldn't wait for Sunny to grow.
It's a bad dream. I'm feeling scared from my head to my shoes.
We're really small and we don't know what to do. But there's an opportunity to try a new point of view. Now we can open our minds and we're gonna see just how wonderful something different can be. Just look around, there's so much to see. That blade of grass is as tall as a tree. We're having fun discovering a new point of view.
Hey, everybody! Elmo was thinking that maybe this is the best spot to plant Sunny in the garden. Well, Sunny would get to be around my new best friends, the ladybugs. And Sunny will get to hear their fun music all day long. Uh-oh. The ground is all rocky, and there's not enough soil for Sonny's roots. Oh, it's okay, Sonny. Don't worry. There's a lot more garden to explore.
Yeah, let us go find a new spot. Come on!
Elmo's finding Sonny a brand new garden home. A home with lots of new friends, perhaps a garden gnome. How do you do? It's nice to meet you. A bigger world we see when we see things differently.
Do you hear that? When the wind blows through the grass, it makes a beautiful sound. The wind is making music in the air today. I hope I get to dance in a butterfly ballet. Butterflies will flutter by. A bigger world I see when I see things differently.
I love a new adventure. I wonder what I'll see. I'll be the big kahuna, surfing on a leaf. Hang in 10, I'll ride that wave. Hang in 10, I'll ride that wave. A bigger world I see when I see things differently.
Never seen a garden from underneath the flower. I'll make one my umbrella if raindrops start to shower. Drip, drop, drip, drip, drop. A bigger wall I see when I see things differently.
I'm not so sure I like this whole new point of view. If everything is bigger, then beetles are bigger too. They just might be as big as me. They just might be as big as me. Charlie, can you just try to give beetles a chance? Nope.
We've only seen the garden from where we used to be, but now we're looking up to new possibilities.
How do you do? It's nice to meet you.
Butterflies will flutter by.
Hang in 10, I'll ride that wave. Hang in 10, I'll ride that wave. Hang in 10, I'll ride that wave. Hang in 10, I'll ride that wave.
It just might be as big as me. It just might be as big as me.
A bigger world we see when we see things differently.
Yeah!
I think Sonny will be very happy here.
But look around. It's not the best place for sunlight. And even Elmo knows that plants need lots of sunlight to grow big and strong.
Looks like we still have to find a sunny spot for Sonny. Well, we should go. Vámonos.
I tried turning a sunflower big, and I ended up turning me and all my friends small. But that's okay. Uncle Joe reminded me to find the right word, and that shouldn't be a problem. Words, words, and more words. How I adore words. I love words more than I can say. Short words and long words. Singing a song words. I like words better every day. Guess what? I love words. I'll try words like fox and socks. Words in books like Goldilocks. Little words like bat and bus. Big words like rhinoceros. Or onomatopoeia. That's a big word too. Words so sweet like ice cream cone. Ringing words like telephone. French words like chapeau and Ted. Music words like clarinet. Oh, so many words, so little time. Healthy words like beans and noodles. Silly words like pop and poodles. Jumping jacks and ball and but never met a word I didn't like. Never met a word I didn't like. Whoa, a Scooby-Doo-Wah! Words, words, and more words. How I adore words. I love words more than I can say. Short words and long words. Singing a song words. I like words better every day. I like words better every day. I really mean it. Words. A big pumpkin. Aw, man. Oh. Okay. I'll remember the correct word. I'll remember the correct rhyme. And I'll turn us all big, too. They can count on me.
Gosh, this garden would be just the best place for Sonny. Hey, what is this? A pumpkin? Little pumpkin, you just seem so out of place. I do not remember planting you here in in this space. I wish I knew how to explain. It's been the strangest kind of day. That's right. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? I don't know what's going on. Hey, do you know where this pumpkin came from?
I don't know.
Do you know where Elmo, Abby, and Sunny are? What's going on here today?
Hey there, Big Bird. We've been looking everywhere. You know? Sunny, Abby, Elmo. Seems like they just disappeared. I don't know.
We're missing Zoe Telly too. Wasn't Rosita here with you?
No.
Fix-It Shop was my first stop.
I told Bernice, come follow me. Fly above so you can see what's going on.
What's going on?
What's going on?
What's going on?
What's going on?
We don't know
What's going on?
I don't know, Big Bird.
Wow.
I don't know. They just disappeared.
I don't know what's going on.
Maybe we should make pumpkin pie.
Well, I guess we just have to wait for Elmo and Sunny to come back. Oh, I didn't water this part of the garden yet.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Everybody wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away.
What's that, Sunny? Oh, you want some water? Oh, of course you do. There, Sunny. Feel better?
He sure does. Water helps all plants and flowers grow. Look.
Wow! Look what happens when it rains!
Rain, rain, hit the rain. Open up and drink today. Save some for a drier day. Rain, rain, hit the rain. Rain, rain, hit the rain. Open up and drink today. Save some for a drier day. Rain, rain, hit the rain.
Ooh, look at that sun ray, Sunny. Elmo thinks this spot is perfect. Elmo loves it. Yay!
Yes!
We did it!
Woohoo!
In my family, we celebrate by doing the cha-cha. Let's dance! Woohoo! Boys and muchachas, listen to my little song. It's really hot-cha. We're gonna do that cha-cha. It's a good luck charm in a garden party delight. Garden musica. Gonna get you off your seat to move your feet. The ladybugs are swinging. The flowers feel it. They're moving left and right. Come on, everyone. Get ready to clap along with us. It's easy. Here we go.
We're moving, Sunny.
Out of the pot to a better spot.
The sun can see it perfectly.
Now we're dancing and prancing. It's also enchanting to be here in the garden. Doing what we love to do and loving every minute too.
There's something about the cha-cha beat.
It's a garden growing. There's magic under your feet. When we cha-cha, we count the beats. And in Spanish, this is how we say 1, 2, 3. Uno, dos, tres,
Yeah!
Uno, dos, tres,
Yeah!
Uno, dos, tres, yeah! Mi nombre es Rosita Espinosa. Nice to meet you in the garden, muy bonita. I'm the cha-cha mamacita.
Everybody in the garden do the cha-cha. Move your feet until the rhythm to it, gotcha. Love to watch ya, doing the cha-cha.
One last time.
Everybody in the garden do the cha-cha. Move your feet until the rhythm to it, gotcha. Love to watch ya, doing the cha-cha all day long.
Hey, you guys! I know the right rhyme for my spell. And I can make his big right now.
Hey, Hey, there you all are.
Hey, everybody.
Yeah, hola, everyone.
Here we are.
Hi there. Are you ready to plant Sunny now, Elmo?
Yes. Well, Sonny, it's time to plant you in your new home. Found a home for Sonny.
Ain't it kinda funny? Now your friend is here with me.
Yes, but love grows wherever friendship goes, and that's how it's supposed to be.
That's great.
Soil, sun, and water.
Elmo thinks you oughta talk to Sonny tenderly.
Because love grows wherever friendship goes. You just gotta sow the seed.
Wow, you learned a lot.
We saw things from a new point of view. Learned things we never knew. Saw how we can take care. Just looking at our garden can tell you love's a magical spell that the whole world can share.
My kind of magic.
When we're all together, never mind the weather. Days are sunny endlessly. Because love grows wherever friendship goes. You just gotta sow the seed.
Welcome home, Sonny.
Been so much fun in the garden with you. It's time to put on your traveling shoes. But think of us when you need to choose a new point of view.
New point of view.
Remember this, if one thing is true.